Let us learn how to solve this particular sum. The cost of an article was rupees 15,500. Rupees 450 were spent on its repairs. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the article. In this video, we are going to learn the simplest and the easiest method of solving this particular question. As the actual cost price while buying the article was 15,500, so we have written actual cost price of the article is rupees 15,500. But after that we have added the expense, means there was some expense on that particular article, so that is also included in the cost price. So we have added the repair expenses, that is 450. So by the way, we are getting the total cost price as 15,950 rupees. Now, as I have already said in the previous video, whenever we will deal with profit and loss sum, you need to do one thing, that is we need to assume the CP as rupees 100. Whatever the case is, we need to assume the cost price to be 100 when we are dealing with cost price, loss, profit and SP. So after that, as we know that profit is always calculated on cost price, so here profit percentage is given as 15%. So rupees 100 into 15%, that is 100 into 15 by 100, 100 and 100 will be cancelled. We will get rupees 15 as profit. Therefore selling price we know cost price plus profit, so we are getting 115 rupees. But all my dear students, the things which we have written in this particular box are all our assumptions. Now we need to compare our assumption with the actual or the reality. So we will write the assumption on the left hand side and actual value will be written in the right hand side. So we can write that rupees 100 is equals to 15,950. As according to the question, cost price is this one and according to our assumption it is rupees 100. So we will find out rupees 1, that will be equals to 15,900 divided by 100. This 100 will go in the denominator as division, as it was in the multiplication. Now we need to find out the selling price, which is 115 rupees according to our assumption. So the value of 1 is this one, so the value of 115 will be 1, that is value of 1 multiplied by 115. So after calculating this value, we will get rupees 18,342.50 paisa, that is the selling price of the article. So we will write hence the selling price of the article is rupees 18,342.50 paisa. So my dear students, this is your homework which we will solve in the next class. If you find the content of this video helpful, then like, share, subscribe this channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular update from this particular channel. You will find all the sums of this particular chapter in the playlist comparing quantities, the link of which I will be giving in the description box. And my dear students, if you want to get all the videos related to ICSE, CBSE and WBBSE arranged in order, you must visit our channel where you will get the playlist arranged according to the order. Bye bye students, see you in the next class.